Hi everyone, welcome to another bioinformatics tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run bash commands or Linux commands in Galaxy. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to create an account, open the Galaxy platform. So we have Galaxy EU, there's Galaxy Australia, Galaxy.org, etc. So any of them should be fine. And then make sure you register and create an account and log in. So when you log in, you should see your username here. So once you have logged in, you are going to see that on the left hand side, there is an interactive tools tab. This is what we will use to run the Linux command. So we are going to open a Linux environment and then do our stuffs in it. So when we go to the interactive tools, click it. And by the way, for those who use other Galaxy servers, the interactive tools tab should be somewhere here. So you just have to search. If you see it here, great. Sometimes you may see it as the third, fourth, or fifth tab. So just search for it and then you see it. So in the interactive tools section, search for Jupyter Lab Notebook. Mine is already showing. Chances are yours may show. If it's not there, just search for it. Just type Jupyter Lab Notebook. So if you type Jupyter Lab itself, you will see this coming up. So search for this and then click it. So when you click it, that's what you are going to see. All right. Now, what we are going to do is to just click on Run To. So we click on Run To, and once we click it, it's going to open the programming environment for us. So typically, we have to wait for some time. You will see that this is gray. We just have to wait until the environment becomes ready. So we just have to wait. So here it says it's starting. So we just have to be patient and wait for it to get started. You have to take less than a minute to load. So what you want to do is to wait, and then you are going to see this text coming up, all right, which says open. You can also open it in another way. On the left hand side, you should see a notification which says 1, all right. If you don't see it, that's fine. All I have to do is just click on the interactive tools. When you click on interactive tools, what you are going to see is this text here. All right, so you will see Jupyter 2 interactive tool, job info. It should say running, or sometimes it will say starting. If it's starting, then you just have to wait because the environment is loading. Once it's done, you are going to see running. So if you see running, then you can open the Jupyter environment. So on this side, it says open interactive tool. I prefer to open it in another tab. So I will use this box here. I will enlarge it a bit. I'll use this box here. I'll click open a new tab, and it should open in another tab. So I still want to keep this. All right, that's why I'm doing it. So once you click on this, it should give you this. So when you are here, there are several programming environments. We are interested in Bash. So I'll click on Bash to open it. All right. So what you see here is a cell, and each cell you can enter your command. So for Bash, for example, you can say hello world, or you can even say ls, or you can say pwd. All right. So pwd, and then I run it. So pwd, that prints working directory. So to run, you click on this, run this cell. Okay, so you can click this to run, or you can use the shortcut, which is what? Shift Enter. All right, Shift Enter. You can use that to run. Okay, or you can also use, sometimes I also use the Alt Enter. I'll say ls. Let's do this, ls. I'll type it here. Okay, so ls, and I type the Alt Enter, or you can also use the Shift. I'll just do pwd again. So Shift Enter, like it said, that's the shortcut for running the command. So once you do it, you are going to see your Linux command give you the expected output. Now you can also upload files. Okay, here once, let's say I'm done with this. It gives me another cell. If there's no cell, you can just click on plus. Let's say there are some files you want to analyze. You can come to the left hand side and then upload the files. So when you see this button, it says what? upload files. So you click it. Let's click this one here. So after clicking it, you just have to select the file you want to upload. So typically you have to check this. So you just have to locate the files that you want, then click and then upload. So here I have one file here which I would like to upload, which is fly assembly faster. So I'll click it. And once I click it, you will see the notification here saying uploading. So you just have to wait. All right, it's uploading. And then on the left hand side, you will see the file. If it's completed, you will see a text which says completed, and then you will see the file also here. All right, so once you see this file, again, if I do an ls again, and I use shift enter, I'll see that the new file has been identified. So that's flyassembly.faster. All right, so once you have it this way, then you can now use your Linux commands to extract or process the files and get the information that you need. So here I'll just say head fly assembly faster just to see the content. So you see that has given me some information. All right, so this is a typical bash environment. If you want to open another tab to show, you can just come here, new launcher, click it, and then you select bash or any other programming environment that you want. That's what you need to take note here. You can come back to the previous one. You can even download the codes. So when you go to file, there's a section for you to download. You can click to download it, right? Or save it. There are different things you can do here. The point is for you to be able to use it to do your bash commands, your bash tasks. So that's how we do it. It's simple and it's straightforward. So that's for it. So typically you can do your loops, or let's say you can even say echo hello world. You can do it. Enter. All right. So basically everything that has got to do with bash scripting or Linux scripting, you can do it in this environment. All right. So that's how we do it. And you can also download files from the internet. I mean, it's a Linux environment, so whatever you want to use it for, it depends on your design. So that's how it's done here. All right. So that's for Linux. And so for those who are beginners in the field of Linux, it's important that you check this playlist out. I have tutorials that show beginners how to start using Linux. So check these videos out now.